Your palpitations all burst to the sky.
I done made it here without no rules, my nigga. I ain't curved. She knows to hit me if you need me. I ain't never look. Can't even tell you about it. See a shining star. They know my windows tinny. They know I'm grinding hard. Gonna do anything to get it.
What's up, y'all? Never knows this. Becky react to yet another video, man. This video is titled Sewerperson R&R. If you guys really want to check this out, let me stop talking so much, man. Let's get to it.
Turn it back to the other night. Red eyes under patio lights. Feet up, going ultra meteorite. I crush up 7 grams and it get mummified. I'm gonna.
That boy say, dang, that boy say something meteorite. I roll up 7 grams and get mummified. Man, stop playing. But he snapped, man. Y'all know Sewerperson continue to snap. Hold on, I gotta get it right.
Turn it back to the other night. Going ultra meteorite. I crush up 7 grams and it get mummified. I'm gonna have a good day, I decided. Don't let her ex guy and he's uninvited. I don't wanna talk and I got 20-pound eyelid.
That boy said, don't let her ex guy in, he's uninvited. Then what he said, dang, I don't remember what he said. I gotta rewind.
Good day, I decided. Don't let her ex guy and he's uninvited. 20-pound eyelids.
That boy said, I don't wanna talk, I got 20-pound eyelids. For real, Sewerperson be snapping.
Feet up, going ultra meteorite. I crush up 7 grams and it get mummified. I'm gonna have a good day, I decided. Don't let her ex guy and he's uninvited. I don't wanna talk and I got 20-pound eyelids. I'm high as fuck, my bad, I couldn't hide it. Money on it.
That boy said, I'm high as my bad, I couldn't hide it. Hey, Sewerperson, you watch this one, boy, you snap this one right here.
Going ultra meteorite. I crush up 7 grams and it get mummified. I'm gonna have a good day, I decided. Don't let her ex guy and he's uninvited. I don't wanna talk and I got 20-pound eyelids. Money on the nice end, yeah. She been waiting for the right man. I got bad news. I hope they.
That boy said she been waiting for the right man. I got bad news. You know what he said? I hope that you find him. That's crazy. He said, I hope that you find him.
She been waiting for the right man. I got bad news. I hope that you find him. Yeah. 'Cause I look nothing like him. That's a hard truth. Street like vigil, backwoods missile. For little, only blow top shelf, I don't blow middle. Dropping Marley in her water, make a small ripple. Yeah, I'm still at home, do you miss me right now? I can't get to phone, I'm kinda busy right now. So good beside me in a car seat. Turn it back to the other day. I don't need you anyways. I know you mad, you should've told me some. I just sip my drink, feel my body numb. Rooftop evening, please don't wake me up, I prefer to keep dreaming. Late October bang through the.
I said, please don't wake me up, I prefer to keep dreaming. You know, let me enjoy the moment. He snapped.
I might pour another cup. Yeah, I don't think I had enough, and I need that. Sweet, too sweet.
I might pour another cup. I don't think I had enough, and I need that.
I might pour another cup. Yeah, I don't think I had enough, and I need that. Turn it back to the other night. Yeah. Red eyes under patio lights. T up, blown up meteorite. I crush 7 grams and it get mummified. I'm gonna have a good day, I decided. Don't let her ex guy and he's uninvited. I don't wanna talk, I got 20-pound eyelids. Yeah, I'm high as fuck, my bad, I couldn't hide it.
Snap, man. This another banger. This another Sewerperson banger, man. Y'all know Sewerperson continues to make bangers. You know, that's just the easiest way to say it. Nah, I'm playing music like you can relate to, and then he puts it in such a way, his own little way, his own little style, you know. So hope y'all staying positive, man. Get through anything y'all going through. Man, thanks for watching, man. Thanks for all the support y'all been showing, man. For real. Y'all been showing a lot of support, for real. Y'all showing so much love. Don't talk too much, man. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all the support y'all been showing. Peace.